Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 4 and we are learning unit number 15 and its title is The Safety of Children. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn about expository paragraph and we will cover a page number 123 and question number 8. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned about how we can write a paragraph according to the procedure and sequence words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are: use appropriate vocabulary and terms to write a simple paragraph by writing an expository paragraph explaining a process or procedure. Use words such as first, second, next, and then to show a sequence. So today we are going to learn about sequence words in expository paragraph. Okay, so my dear students, so be ready. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 54, Allah created the heavens and the earth and all that is between them in 6 days. Subhanallah, my dear students and my dear teachers, this beautiful verse is telling us that in how many days, in how much time Allah Almighty has created the whole universe. How many days? Just within 6 days. Okay, so Allah Almighty created this world, whole universe, just in 6 days. Okay, and from it is being said that from Sunday to till Friday, in these 6 days, Allah Almighty has created the whole universe, and in step by step. Okay, Allah has created all the universe step by step in 6 days. So today we are going to learn that how sequence words help us in our daily life. So pre-reading questions are there for you, my dear students, so be ready. We are going to refresh our knowledge first. What is an expository writing? So what is an expository writing? Already we have learned a lot about it. Okay, next question is for you. Where do we use expository writing? How and when, in which type of writing paragraphs we use expository writing? Okay, welcome back, good job. So let's see what is an expository writing. An expository essay is an essay that communicates factual information, and expository paragraphs requires specific details and examples in a sequence. So yes, my dear students, what is an expository paragraph? An expository paragraph is always tell us about facts. Do you know facts? Fact always, we cannot change the facts. It describes facts, that how we can prepare things in a paragraph and how we can write a paragraph through different procedures. Okay, so a paragraph details in a sequence words. Okay, we are using sequence words while writing an expository paragraph. And sometime in an expository paragraph, we also get instructions that how we have to do any activity that we are going to do. So in which way we can do. So let's see there how we can write. Expository means to explain something in steps, like first, second, next, then, and finally, to show the whole process of something. So yes, my dear students, so now have you got that? Expository means explain something step by step. Okay, from first, second, third, next, then, in such way, and at the last what happened. So this such type of writing is called expository writing. While writing, we use sequence words, okay, according to the steps. So we know, my dear students, we already know that nothing is there, everything has its first stage, then next. Okay, even in your science you have learned many things, that life cycles already you have learned in unit number 11, my dear students. You have learned different life cycles of plants and animals. So they have different steps to arrive at early stage, from early stage to adult states. Okay, so in this way everything has process. So here we will learn about how we can get instructions and how we can follow them in to show a sequence. So see there, we are going to do that. I have collected instructions that how to brush your teeth. So okay, I am going to give you instructions that already you are brushing your teeth. I know that because you are good students, and good students always keep themselves neat and clean. So let's see how we can. So first is, what is first step? We have to get paste on, apply paste on toothbrush. And after that, in which step? Then we are going to start to brush our teeth. Okay, so in this way, in next second step is there, we are going to start our brush our teeth, and we will start from front of teeth and upper jaw. Okay, next see there, we have to move the brush. Okay, sequentially we are going to move our brush sequentially, and gently we have to brush. Okay, no need to take any hurry there, because we have to keep our teeth neat and clean. Then next is there, what we have to do, we have to brush our teeth from inside. Okay, from inside teeth we have to brush our teeth, and these we upper teeth we are brushing in the first step. Okay, so next see there, next what we have to do now, we are brushing now our lower teeth. Okay, so how we can brush, we have to move the brush gently in our mouth. And the next is that while brushing, what we have to do, we have to brush our tongue also. Okay, because it must be neat and clean, and it can freshens our breaths. See there, now see, after that, then we are going to wash our mouth. Okay, after brushing teeth we are going to wash our mouth, and finally our teeth are brightening. Okay, so have you got that? These instructions we have to follow while brushing teeth, and this activity we are doing every day. Okay, even twice a day. Okay, so see that now how we can convert all these instructions into a paragraph. So see there, first take brush and apply paste on it. So this is there first, which is that our first step. We will take brush and we will apply paste on it. I have shown already. Second, gently move the brush in a circular motion on upper teeth. Move the brush inside of upper teeth. Then we will move gently upper teeth and inside of upper teeth. Next, start brushing your lower teeth. Move the brush gently outside and inside of lower teeth. Then, using the same circular motion, brush the inside surfaces of all your teeth, same as the clean the front teeth. Finally, brush the roof of your mouth, the inside of your cheeks, and your tongue. This makes your entire mouth feel clean and also freshen your breath. Okay, so have you got that? How I have changed, my dear students, using sequence words. Okay, we have now got a complete paragraph, but this paragraph is called expository paragraph. Why it is an expository paragraph? Because we have used sequence words and we have followed the instructions that was given by our teacher. Okay, now have you got that? Good job. So next we are moving towards an activity, and let's see how much we got about an expository paragraph. Yes, my dear students, there is something for you. And yes, my dear teachers, ask students to share how to wrap a present using sequence words. Okay, so you are gifting to your friends, family members, or on any birthday party, on Eid parties. So we are giving presents to each other. So definitely you are wrapping them and you are getting them in a beautiful shape. So discuss the steps how you can wrap a gift. Okay, so I'm waiting for you, my dear teacher. Pause the video, get this activity in your class and enjoy. Welcome back, and I hope now you have enjoyed and now you have got, if you didn't know before, so now you have got that how we can wrap a gift in a beautiful way. Good job. So yes, now you should open your book. Question number 8 is there. Write instructions for your partnered friend to make a greeting card. So while there are tips for you, my dear teachers and my dear students, my dear teacher, you should give these tips to your students, and they will write there in this space they will write procedure how they will make a greeting card for their friends. Okay, pause the video and perform this activity in your class on your book. Welcome back and excellent job. Now I have understood that my students are growing day by day. Okay, excellent, good. So what's our homework for today? Draw the life cycle of a butterfly in your notebook and label it. You will draw the life cycle of a butterfly in your notebook and you will write and you will label it. Okay, see there, you can see that there is a life cycle of a butterfly and you will settle it in this way. So moreover, we have already learned, there is, I am giving you that in GK 3 unit number 11 and its lecture is lecture 5. Already you have learned about the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so you can get guideline from there. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how students can write anything, any paragraph step by step using sequence words. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about an expository paragraph. We learned that how we can write a paragraph using sequence words. And in this way we have covered up our SLO. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by writing an expository paragraph, explaining a process or a procedure. Use words such as first, second, next, and then to show a sequence. Wow, good job. We have done it. Okay, so we have done it in a nice way. Now we have got that how we can develop a paragraph through different procedures. I hope now today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon. Till that, take bless. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.